Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today's my meal. I want to try to make a little bit famous of a Chinese style stir fry. Chinese people call hoi kuoro. Hoi kuoro. So using this one, it's a pork thin slice and cabbage. I'm gonna try to use herring mushroom, also wood ear mushroom, kikurage we call it, and we are Japanese people call naganegi, long leek, it's a green onion. So I'm gonna try to make many different kind Chinese spice. One of Tobanjang, one of Huajiao Tobanjang, my favorite. Also, another one is Tochijang and Tenmenjang. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's a Chinese name. It's a hoi koro, but I'm just arrange my original, recipe. I'm just show you. Okay, let's start cooking. This is thin sliced porkbelly. Starch, potato starch. A little bit. Mix up together. Like this. Now usually hoi koro using like a block type of block of pork belly, then boil and then slice and then make stir fry. But I'm just had a thin, very thin sliced pork belly. But usually all people just starting stir fry. But I'm just use my technique a little bit to mix up potato starch and just a little bit boil. Hot boiling water and like this, like this, like this. Just like that. Whew. Okay. Ginger and garlic. This is Tochijang and Tenmenjang mixed together. This is Tobanjang. And my favorite, Huajiao Tobanjang. Like this. Like this. Okay. Cabbage, and I love herring mushroom. Okay. Yes. Pan on the switch. High flame. Pork. Keep it. Like this, looks nice. And sauteed veggie part. Hey. Usually mushroom, my favorite. So this is the vinegar a little bit. It's the secret seasoning, and this one is sake. This is the winter season. My favorite one is white, sake. It's a very special one. That's my favorite. I'm always drinking in the winter time. This is chicken flavor powder. A little bit, just a little bit. And pepper. Very good. My favorite white soy sauce, a little bit. Green onion and pepper. Okay, try to taste a little bit. So good, done.